Morning. I am telling you that yes, paragraph writing and essay writing, it is for pre-1. Actually, paragraph writing and essay writing is in pre-1 syllabus, undoubtedly. I will give you so many topics for paragraph and essay. Because lots of topics are important, and you also if you go through the old question papers or question bank, you can yourself collect the important questions, important paragraph and essay topics. But yes, basic thing what I want to suggest you should develop your own writing capacity. Means okay, there are topics given. If a topic will be given to you, if someone will dictate you, is it the way properly? Do you think that this will be sufficient if someone will dictate you the answers, the paragraph writing, or is this going to pay you forever? No, I personally don't think so. You must have that capacity to write down. Suppose that five topics I am suggesting you. If the sixth one will come, then what will happen? You will start feeling scared. Which way I should write? This topic was not given to me. So writing by yourself. If I time and again I suggested you in the classroom also, just take English as your language, my dear. We are in the 21st century. So English, I'm not telling that it's not a comparative issue. It's just making yourself equipped in each and every field. That is important, na? So go and write by yourself. Suppose that empty vessel sounds much. Suppose that this topic, you all know that yes, खाली बर्तन गिरता है तो आवाज होती है. Empty vessel sounds much. Means the capacity should be your own. In literature, these are the literary aspects of these topics are essay and paragraph. All comes from literary aspects. So no one can say that whatever I am dictating, this will be the answer. No. In essay and paragraph, no one can suggest that this I am telling you, this will be the only answer. No. You can take the aspect in your own way. You have that full space. Empty vessel sounds much. If I am telling that, yes, I am dealing it in this way, you can deal it in another way. But problem is that you must have that capacity to deal. Work is worship. If I am telling, suppose that I am telling ki yes, work is worship. So in every book it is written that yes, work is worship. If you are not doing work, so if you are not busy in work, so empty vessel sounds, empty mind is devil's workshop. Is very much related with work is worship. Because if you are not at work, so your mind is empty, then devil's workshop. Means dimag khali, dimag shaitan ka adda. Means definitely both of the material here or there relates with each other. Both the topic material relates with each other. Your mind should be alert enough which way I should handle the topic. This I am telling you. And this only you can improve by yourself. You are not in the age of spoon feeding. I personally think so. So you just go on writing and suppose means you can compare that work is worship definitely, but and labor never goes in vain. Suppose that. So you can say that yes, labor never goes in vain. It is definitely a truthful statement. It is valid, all time valid statement. But if labor is not giving us fruit at the right time, giving us benefit at the right time, so definitely this aspect that labor never goes in vain gets distracted. It gets distracted. This aspect, this concept gets distracted. So it depends upon you which way you are taking the topic. This personally my thinking, and you all are mature enough. Yes, legal topic. If legal topic essay is coming, So definitely you can go through data and detail. And data and detail, there is net there is books there are books there. If I handle in the, I personally think that I had dictated you much topic in your classroom also related to legal aspect, just like justice delayed, justice denied, or role of high court, or human rights. So such type of topic I had given you, but yes, classes couldn't run due to it gets affected due to corona. So that's why the things were remained blocked, remained left. So never worried about that. You have your books in the market, and just you can have that topic, you can get it elaborated, but writing by your own, you should develop this, because writing by your own make you limitation free, limitless. Any topic can come. Your mind should be good enough to think about the topic. I mean, that thinking capacity, and the writing, your thinking shouldn't be blocked. Okay, if this topic is coming, which way I should go ahead, what I should write? Yes, why not? If I can, you can also. Suppose that a rolling stone gathers no moss. So block-headed person, if a person is block-headed, so definitely he would be outcast. I mean, outdated in the society. So definitely a stone which keeps at the same place, so definitely it gathers moss. But if it will roll, and it keeps rolling, it goes on rolling, so it will be free. No moss will be here or there. The stone will be fresh. This means nothing fit like fittest. There are so many topics. Depends upon and the way of your writing. Yes, essay needs 20 marks, so some data and detail is needed in essay. So, but paragraph writing, there are numbers of, and 15 marks or 10 marks, so you just get it verified. I'm not sure about that, but yes, paragraph means at least 1.5 page at least. Paragraph doesn't mean this much of line, 10 to 12 lines is not sufficient for paragraph. At least 1 page or 1.5 page must be there. आगाज के साथ अंजाम आ जाए तो फिर मार्किंग क्या चीज पर होगी? एटलीस्ट 1.5 पेज मस्ट बी देयर फॉर पैराग्राफ राइटिंग. And paragraph, yes, I personally wish I will give you some topic. Definitely, I will deal the meaning of so many topics in paragraph. I will convey a lecture over that. But I personally suggest that going and dictating you about paragraph, about essay, it seems that I am giving you crutch. First, I suggest you that go on writing by yourself, giving answers and giving. I had already given all of your answer related to essay, but even in that time, I told in your class that go on writing by your own self, getting the help of my answer. I told you in the class, and don't copy, because answer I had given, the whole answer, the whole class, went on writing all the same thing. So I told you the same, that refresh your answer by your own, getting the help of my answer. This I am suggesting you again, that yes, go on writing paragraph by yourself and take the easy topic. And you know, if I will ask you, okay, what is the meaning of this topic? Suppose that work is worship, labor never goes in vain, spare the rod is to spoil the child. So many empty vessel sounds much, empty mind is devil's workshop. There are so many topics in paragraph. So if I will ask you at random that what is the meaning of this, everyone of you will stand up and tell that yes ma'am, this is the meaning of this paragraph. If you know the meaning of this paragraph, why can't you elaborate it? You have your own experiences, na? Ki yes, suppose that labor never goes in vain. in this much of a stage, haven't you feel ever ki this statement is how much valid? If valid, then it's yes, all time valid. I know that it is an established fact, but nothing is established at the same time. It is a valid fact, but at the same time you can elaborate that yes, comparing in the present time, so labor never goes in vain. So our concept gets distracted, because many a times we feel that we labor hard. There are so many persons who labored hard but do not get the fruitful result. So you can elaborate it by your own. The concept should be your writing thing. Whatever is coming from literary as field, so no one can tell that my concept is right. It totally depends upon you. What is your concept? The thing is, I had already told you, the thing should be that it must be logically justified. Only this much you will have to take care. And giving topics, yes, you can go through the question bank. There are so many topics there. I will also suggest you many important topics. Definitely, I will suggest you that, because why I am giving this, communicating my view with you. Why? The need is that all my pre-1 lectures are completed according to syllabus wise. Now, as I had told you, grammar is for everyone, even though the pre-2 classes I had mentioned in my video, but a preposition is not for pre-2. Even from the elementary school time till the competitive time, grammar is the same for everyone. So, it is not specific for pre-1 or pre-2. I am repeating my words, but yes, pre-1 lectures are completed according to the syllabus with notes given in the classroom. Notes I am not giving you right now, because I had already given you the notes. But yes, if you have my WhatsApp number, whatever problem you would have, you are most welcome. Anytime you can ring me. But I will give you if you need, you just contact me, and I will again send you the notes also. But matter is this: now only paragraph writing and essay writing is left. Only two. So that's why I am telling you. That's why I felt it's need to communicate with all of you that yes, what would you do? There must be a confusion in your mind that what would you do in the section of paragraph writing and essay writing. This I am telling ki it depends. There are so many topics. Yes, important topics would be given, but it can be possible that some here or there question will come. So depends upon your writing. You develop your own writing skill. The essay topic, most of the time it comes from legal aspects. I mean legal related topic. Generally it comes one or two will definitely. If 4 are the options there, means 2 or 3 will definitely come from legal aspects, like role of High Court, justice delayed, something like this. I mean the Supreme Court or fast track court, this type of related to judiciary. And one if I mean 2 or 3 1, this is the ratio. And one from the general flood, who are dowry, who are this type of. And if 2 or 3 1, this is the ratio. Means going through the legal topic, so your data and detail you can find it, but yes, but language should be your own. So if you feel it's need, I will definitely give you the notes. But first, because teacher is just like your parents. I mean I sometimes I say that I shouldn't say that much more than parents, but because because teachers are the direct responsibility taker of your career. So that's why, being your guardian in this way, I'm suggesting you that bacha, write by your own, try to go through your own concept, and when it you will I will see that yes, my students are writing by their own, so I would be the most happiest person. I truly say. So try to go on writing by your own. I had communicated with you in the classroom so many topics about paragraph, and every one of you had told कि yes, this lines means this line मैम ये मतलब दे रहा है ये मैं तो if this is clear in your mind that yes, this topic gives you this meaning, why not you can elaborate this? Yes, you can. So first you try. Then after I will help you in other way also. I mean giving notes means other way means giving notes definitely. So if you need, I will give you notes. You have my you have my WhatsApp number. You have my you are connected with me. So I am telling you first go on writing by your own. Yes, by the paragraph. Why I am suggesting paragraph writing? Because paragraph has less length. I mean, 1.5 page is sufficient. It's not lengthy as essay. So first try over paragraph. Yes, and this way you will feel confident in going in the examination hall. You will feel very confident in yourself. Damn it, कुछ भी हो जाए, I am able to write by my own. So this comes because in your general ye suppose that in your modern master answers is in your hand, chapters are located ki yes, only this number of chapters I have to go through, answer is in your hand, so everything is clear. But in paragraph writing and in essay writing, nothing is clear. I mean, it is totally vague. Yes, you are collecting the important notes, but I mean, the question is not open now. Important questions you are handling, but there is a chance that it can go here and there. So why should you feel shaky? So if you will start writing by your own, so you will be confident enough. So I suggest you that go and handle paragraph writing by your own. First you take up paragraph writing, 1.5 page. Yes, please go on. Please, it's my humble request. And yes, giving answers, so I am always there for you. You know this. Anytime, most welcome. But yes, first go on writing. Okay? And okay, bye.